So my brother is in town for 2 weeks, and of course, we took him to Gili Tea. So this is what you can get for $60 a night on Gili Tea. Okay, so we are in a 3-bedroom private villa. This is amazing. So here is the patio, I guess, front door space. So we hung out here quite a bit. And look at this. They even have a fan right there, like, genius, genius. Okay, so here is the living room with a smart TV, so we're able to watch Netflix or YouTube on there. You've got this couch. So here is the hold on, I gotta shut this door. Okay, here's the first bedroom downstairs. And again, it has aircon and a fan. Lots of storage space. You have an ensuite bathroom here. And yes, the hot water was burned my skin hot, which was awesome. Okay, so we're back in the living room. Here is the kitchen. This is actually like a full kitchen. They had lots of spices, lots of pots, pans, cooking equipment, etc. This whole library here. We clearly enjoyed our bean thing. This full-size fridge, filtered water. In here is the other like dishes and spices. And then we come upstairs. So here's the second bathroom. Looks pretty identical to the one downstairs. And you have bedroom number 2. And this is cool. So they provide, so this is a private villa and they've named it Sahara Sands. But they allow you to use this for free for like a beach tote or whatever. So again, ceiling fan and aircon. This is like a different style bed. It's almost like a day bed. Look at all these windows. Love it. And then this leads out to your upstairs balcony, patio, we'll call it. And then here is the third bedroom. Again, you got ceiling fan and aircon. Another, like, there's so much storage space here, which is amazing. And I like, these decorations, like, their interior designer was pretty phenomenal. Then yeah, this is back out onto the upstairs balcony, and this is your view. Okay, again, that's $60 a night on Gili Tea. Like, this place was awesome. I can't believe we had our own private villa, 3-bedroom for $60 a night. So, pro tip, it is cheaper to book on booking.com than AirBNB. AirBNB prices were like $80 or $90 a night, but if you go on Booking, it's a lot cheaper. Wi-Fi was strong. I was able to work from here. Speeds were like 25 up and 20 down, which, especially on Gili Tea, that is super freaking fast. As always, like the video, subscribe for more unique travel adventures, leave me a comment. What do you think about this place? And the next video will be right here in 3, 2, 1.